Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to use Zapier on Asana. So simply you can see this is Zapier website. So you can see there are multiple apps available here. Now Gmail, Facebook, all the applications are here. You want to connect with Zapier. Now what we need to do, we will search for our app Asana. So simply you just type here the name Asana, and after searching it you can see here is the Asana app. Simply click here. So finally we have added. Now 4 apps away from turn, skip this option. Will you click on finish setup? So wait for a few seconds. So now here you can see connect to this app, transfer options, my apps, all options are available here. So now simply what we need to do, just click on our application Asana. So just click here, try it. Now after clicking on try it, wait for a few seconds. The website is being uploaded. My internet slowed down, so it will take some time. Now here you can see create a task in Asana, and all the options are left side. Just click here. Now connect Asana, choose apps and events, create tasks. So you can also select the random task, create duplicate task, and click continue. Now you can see connect Asana and sign in option is available. So you just sign in through. Just click on these 3 dots. You can also rename setup, like I am typing Gmail. Now after completing this throughout process, now simply you can move to this app. Zapier is being opened. So finally here you can see the Gmail. So you can simply turn it on and off. The notification is here, just we click on close button. So here we click on account, click on settings. Now go to my profile. You can see here our Asana profile. So now you can also go to Asana website, just refresh this page. So this is simply how you can use Zapier on Asana.